within like 35 seconds. And then something obviously has to come its way here. Yeah, that landing lights are so low that you can touch it.
Can you touch that one?
I'm not allowed to touch it! Are you freaking joking me? You have to. Yeah, he's going long. No, he must be heavy. Like a Joe, Mum. Reynolds. I don't think I was allowed to record. Now that thing saw me. Oh, I'm on video. Something coming? No, it's gotta go. It's gonna go straight. It's gonna go straight. Yeah, that thing's heavy. Definitely heavy. Like that person that I just saw in that car. Oh, I should never actually said that. Heavy. It's like car's heavy. It's an EV. It's an EV. Why is it heavy? There's 15,000 batteries in it. No, not 15,000, 1,500. No, that's 1,500. That's 1,500. Like, I mean 15,500 batteries in the bottom of that car. Anything there. Those landing lights are so low. How many holidays you can trust without what protected? What are you now waiting for? Dude. What the frick are you waiting for? I mean, there could be a plane 3 miles away. That's when it turns its lights. Stagecoach tickets in my pocket. Helicopter. Why is it too heavy? Oh, naturally, I thought this is just going to be a normal video. Now we got crap like this. Maybe not crap, but other stuff like that. Stuff like that. What are you doing? What the hell is that there? Where are you going? I'm not exactly thinking you can go 125 knots on the dot with the plane on the runway before it lifts up. 125 knots is around 200 miles per hour in that's. Where do you think you are? Why are you waiting for the helicopter? Oh, it's like playing World of Airports. I've mentioned that game so many times in this video. It's like, no, not in this. In all of these parts. I wish I knew how to make, like, if I put part 1, part 2, part 3. I wish I was able to make a full video. I wish I knew how to do that. Unless... Ta-da! Where's the helicopter gone? Why are you landing? Unless there's something wrong with it. There could be a fault with the plane. Dude, if there was a fault with the plane and this happened right here and it was on video. Oh. Make a fault. Right. This piece of grass is always mistaken for a mistaken for a plane. It's a piece of grass. You heavy thing. No, you're not supposed to be driving like that! You're not supposed to be driving like that! Oh, I'm actually showing that to someone who knows about it. I have a friend which works for the police. I'll show him that. You should not be going like 100 miles per hour down this way. The maximum speed on this is like 50 to 60. What the hell are you going 100 miles per hour for? Look at all these other cars. It's going to be loud. Third takeoff, maybe, I don't know. Maybe good. I don't care if your face is in the video now. Oh, it's just actually so hard to keep the aim on it. 6 minutes just. What the hell? Is there anything coming in? Yeah, mate. We have actually made quite a lot of parts on this. Actually might have to. It's our third part. We're ending it right now to wait for the look of we're going to get the details on the next plane. So we're going to do that. We're going to do a lot of parts. See you later, guys.